Good morning, dear students. Welcome back again. I hope everyone's are fine over there at home. Okay. So, you know that we have completed up to exercise 9.4 of algebraic expression and identities. Okay. So let us move on to the next concept, that identities. Under that topic, we will study some important identities. With related to these identities, we will solve some numerical questions. Okay. आज हम लोग आइडेंटिटीज के बारे में पढ़ेंगे, क्या होती है आइडेंटिटीज. सो फर्स्टली first question arises when the identity will came, what is that mean. Okay, so everyone know that identity means just to identify the person, identify the things, identify the values of the, if I'm talking on mathematical concept. Okay, so what do you mean by identities? This is the first question that I ask to you. आप क्या समझते हो आइडेंटिटीज से? So in general, if you are talking about in general life, identity means पहचान करना, right? Means how to, कैसे हम लोग किसी को पहचानेंगे, how to identify the some particular things, some particular person, some particular human beings, these things. Okay, so if I'm talking about mathematical concept, okay, so suppose something is written in the somewhere that you know that a is something. Okay, like how you will identify this number, because you know that if you cannot say this one is b, because your earlier knowledge told you this is a, this is 1. Okay, this is 1. You cannot say this is 2, because you have identified these things. If I will write a plus b, and if I will write a plus b, then you will say that both are equal, है ना? Because you have identified this thing a plus b, the things which is written in this side, the things which is written in this side are equal, right? Okay, you cannot say a square is equals to b. Okay, okay, because this is a square, this is b, we cannot identify, यानी कि हम लोग नहीं पहचान पा रहे हैं कि जो लेफ्ट में लिखा है वही राइट में लिखा है. Okay, so these are not identities. The such expression, okay, such expression which whose left hand side, this is known as your left hand side, and this is known as your right hand side. Okay, RHS for any values. I'm talking about maths concept. The such expressions, what such expressions whose value in left hand side is equals to right hand side, if this thing will be verified for any value of the that variables which are used over there. Okay, suppose I'm talk about a plus b, and this is a plus b for all, this is true for all a and b, यानी कि दी आइडेंटिटी क्या है आपकी, ए और बी की कोई भी वैल्यू आप ले लो, सबके लिए क्या है आपकी सही है. कोई भी पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स आप ले लो, सबके लिए क्या है आपका करेक्ट है. ओके, इंटीजर्स आप ले लो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, इंटीजर्स में भी आप काम फॉर एवरी इंटीजर इट इज ओके. सो ऐसे एक्सप्रेशंस को, ये क्या है आपका एक्सप्रेशंस है ना आपका, इसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं पॉलिनोमियल्स के टर्म में, बाइनोमियल, राइट? तो ऐसे एक्सप्रेशंस जिसका लेफ्ट हैंड साइड और राइट हैंड साइड क्या होता है, इक्वल होता है फॉर एनी वैल्यू ऑफ द गिवन वेरिएबल्स, राइट? फॉर एनी वैल्यू ऑफ गिवन वेरिएबल्स. So these are known as identities. In mathematical concept, these are known as identities. Okay, so let us start our main concept. The brief concept is over. I think idea is clear. What do you mean by identities? For means algebraic equations, such type of algebraic equation whose left hand side and right hand side will be equal for any value of the given variable. Okay, that will be equal, they are called as identities. So write down identities definitions, everyone. So first definition is identities. Okay, Just give me a minute. Identity. Okay. So an equality. What is identity? I am writing here an equality which is true for any value of the variable, right? An equality means it is talking about an expression of left hand and right hand. Equality means there will be equal sign. Okay, an equality which is true for any value of the variable called identity. Means आप कैसे पहचानोगे? Let us write some examples to you. Okay, if you will write this one a plus 1 and a plus 2, suppose this is an expression, so this is binomial. If you will find the product of these things, the answer will be coming in this side, then you can say that these are known as identities. So what is the answer coming? A square plus 3a plus 2. The product of, if you will make a product of these two binomials, the answer will be coming in this one. So now this one is called as identity. Okay, so these are the things which is known as identities. Means equality means there will be equal sign. This is left hand side. Okay, and this is right hand side. If you will take the any value of a, let us take let us prove these are identities or not by taking any values. Okay, let a is equals to 2. Okay, so left hand and right hand both are equal, then it is known as identity. Let us try to solve. Okay, so a part, sorry, left hand side. So put down the value of a, that is a plus 1. Let us write firstly expression a plus 2. Okay, so 2 plus 1 and 2 plus 2. 2 I am just putting in place of a. Okay, here. So it will be 3 and it will be 4. 4 3 are 12. And I am talking about RHS means right hand side. It is given as a square plus 3a plus 2. Now put down the value of a, that is 2 square plus 3 into 2 plus 2, right? 2 square 4, 3 2 are 6 plus 2. Now 4 6 4 10 to 12. Now look at left hand and right hand will be equal, so we can say that this one in identity, right? So some special identities are in mathematics. So let us, I am giving you some important identities. This is the topic. So let us write some important identities. First one. Okay, so a plus b whole square. Please keep this in mind. I am reading this one. A plus b whole square. A plus b whole square. Okay, so what is the formula of this one? What is the identity? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Second one, a minus b. Okay, so a square minus 2ab plus b square. These are the identities. Third, a square minus b square is equals to a plus b and a minus b. Please listen. This is read as a plus b whole square. This is read as a minus b whole square. But listen here. This is read as a square minus b square. There is none word which is used whole. तो आप यहाँ पे बच्चे कंफ्यूज होते हैं फॉर्मूले में. So a plus b whole square, what is a square minus b square, what is? So please keep this in mind. This is different thing. This is different thing. This is read as a plus b whole square. This is read as a square minus b square, right? And fourth one, x plus a, x plus b. So the identity will be coming in this way: x square a plus b into x plus ab. Fifth one, a plus b whole cube. This is read as a plus b whole cube. So a cube plus b cube plus 3ab in bracket a plus b. Its second form means other form, how it is write in other format, but both are equal. A cube plus b cube plus 3a square b. I'm just nothing, I'm just doing multiplication of this one with the brackets. So actually both are same thing, but the writing pattern in some books may be this one written, this one don't devote these things. Both are same. Now a minus b whole cube, a cube minus b cube minus 3ab in bracket a minus b. Okay. And seventh one, that is a plus b plus c whole square. That will be given as a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus bc plus ca. Okay. How these identities will be learned, कैसे हम इनको याद करें, प्रॉब्लम यहाँ है, क्योंकि हर आइडेंटिटीज को आपको याद भी नहीं करना है, आपको तरीका सीखना है. यू हैव टू लर्न द वे ऑफ learning these things. If I'm talking on this one, plus a plus b whole square, so keep in your mind everywhere is plus sign, and here look, the term will be same. If the minus sign is there, then in 2ab term the minus sign will be there, not in b square. You have to, if you learn this thing, this will easily learn. Okay, आपको देखो a square 2ab b square both are same thing. Because of this minus sign, this will gives us minus 2ab term. Okay, now this one, this you need to learn. Actually, if you will use the concept a square minus b square means the product of these two term only, not a square. The product of a plus b and a minus b. Right, now x plus a, x plus b. Look, the number which is common, its a square come, and the number which is added x means in this expression except x. So a and b, it is taken about here. Here a and b are constant. You will take a and b as constant. Okay, so the constant will be added and variables will be square. X is a variable in this identity. Please keep this in your mind. X is a variable that is fixed, and a and b are constant, means a and b will taken as any numbers. In first step, variable is square. Second step, second term, you can say the constant will be added and variable will be multiplied. And in third term, constant multiplied. Now here a plus b whole cube, a minus b whole cube. Here you will learn any one of the things. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b. और यहाँ पर क्या है, अब because of this minus sign, everywhere will be minus sign. Or its second form, if you will talk about this second form, that is a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Why this plus comes? When you will multiply minus 3ab with b, because of this minus comes plus sign, right? Okay, so now a plus b plus c means if the three term is there, then all three terms is square, a square, b square, c square, and multiplication in pairs ab, bc, ca. Multiplication in pairs. If you know the cycle rule, a के बाद b आएगा, b के बाद c, फिर c के बाद a. Similarly, a square, a के बाद b square, b के बाद c square, then twice Okay, twice of AB, BC plus CA. Okay, okay, and maybe in other books format, 2 is multiply all the three terms. Then what will happen? If 2 will be multiplied inside, then what will happen? It's very easy. A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. Right? Means 2 is multiplied with each and every term. Then the other format of this identity will be given here. Right? Okay. Now these are the identities. Some more identities I will tell you. Eighth one, that is A cube minus B cube. Listen. Firstly, we will discuss plus, then minus. Okay. So this was ninth one. What is A cube minus A cube plus B cube? In first bracket, A plus B. And here, look at the comparison. If minus sign is here, then minus sign. If plus sign here, plus sign. In second bracket, both is square. A square plus B square, and second bracket A square plus B square. Now the third thing only the change now. If the plus, only keep this, if the plus sign is here, then there is a minus sign. If the plus minus sign is there, then there is a plus sign. This is the difference only, right? अगर यहाँ पर प्लस है तो ए बी वाला टर्म में क्या आएगा आपका negative, right? If the minus sign is there, then the all the second bracket sign will be plus sign, right? Now these are the identities true for any variable. Means आप यहाँ पर ए बी की वैल्यू कुछ भी लो, ए बी सी की हर एक आइडेंटिटीज में आपका एलएचएस आरएचएस आपका हमेशा इक्वल आएगा. ठीक है. Now, so I hope the identities is clear to everyone. Okay. Okay. So let us move on to the next concept. Means if the identity is clear, so with the help of these identities, we will try to solve thus some questions. Okay. Now please keep this your mind. Except identity, I am telling you some concept. What is the meaning of a plus b whole square? It's a simple meaning is a plus b polynomial is multiplied by twice. यानी कि ये जो पावर 2 है इसका मतलब क्या है, सेम पॉलिनोमियल आपका मल्टीप्लाई है दो बार. अब जैसे ए स्क्वायर का मतलब क्या होता है, ए इंटू ए, राइट. सी स्क्वायर का मतलब क्या होता है, सी इंटू सी. ए क्यूब का मतलब क्या होता है, ए इंटू ए, है ना. मीन्स विच आर रिटन इन बेस, विच विल बी रिपीटेड हाउ मेनी टाइम्स, द पावर विल बी देयर. अगर आपकी पावर 3 बार है तो बेस आपका कितनी बार मल्टीप्लाई होगा, 3 बार. पावर आपकी 2 है तो बेस कितनी बार मल्टीप्लाई होगा, 2 टाइम्स. इफ a power 4 then base will multiply 4 times, right? Okay. Now, so if this thing is written a plus b, this is your base and power 2, a plus b, a plus b. If a minus b cube is written, so that means a minus b and a minus b, right? This is the concept of the product of the binomials, or talking about means polynomials I'm simply talking about, right? Okay, so let us move on to the exercise. Okay, exercise 9.5. Okay, so first question I'm taking, that is question number 1. Use suitable identities to get the each of the following product. Use suitable identity means we have to use the perfect identity which is applicable in the questions. Let us try to solve first part. Here it is written x plus 3 and x plus 3, right? So x plus 3 and x plus 3, what does that mean that I discussed in the previous slide this one. X plus 3, it is written as simply x plus 3 whole square. It is read as, don't write in your notebooks, only you for your convenience, read as x plus 3 whole स्क्वायर मीन्स आप जो इसको लिखा है ना उसको बोलोगे कैसे, x plus 3 whole square. Okay, now if you know the identity a plus b whole square, what is that? A square plus 2ab plus b square, right? Okay, so now with the help of this identity, in place of a, here you will write here a is equals to x, b is equals to 3. Okay, now use this identity. This is left hand, this is left hand. You can take x plus 3 whole square. Okay, so now in place, what is in right hand side, you will write in place of a, that is x square, in place of that is right first b square, that is 3 square, and plus 2 into a. 2 into a means x, b into means b means 3, right? तो आप आसानी से आपको आंसर मिल जाएगा. लोग 2 3 are 6 और x is there, तो 6x plus 9. Now this is the identity, or you can say this is the product of x plus 3 into x plus 3 simply. Okay, this is the product of x plus 3 into x plus 3 simply. Okay, second part if I am talking about, that is written 2y plus 5 and 2y plus 5. So it's a, simply you can say that this is 2y plus 5 whole square, right class? Okay, so it is read as, how to read? Read as 2y plus 5 whole square. I will not write in every questions. In sub questions for your convenience, how to read this thing, that is I am telling you. 2y plus 5 whole square. So now here a is equals to 2y and b is equals to 5. Okay, so now look at opening this bracket, a plus b whole square. With the help of this identity, you will use the, you will also write down here for your understanding or for the examination purpose. Means examiner will confirm that you are using this identity, right? And here now a square, that is 2y square. 2y, a square means 2y square. B square means 5 square, and 2 times a means 2y, b means 5, and you will write here a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, because we know that this thing. So now you will, if you open this one, 2y whole square, or you can say 2y square, this will be means square of 2 as well as y. So 2 square is 4, y square is y square. 2 2 are 4, 4 5s are 20, 20 y plus 25. Now this is the answer for, or you can say this is the product of 2y plus 5 and 2y plus 5, right? So this way you will solve these type of questions. Okay, now moving on to the next question. Okay, that is third part of the question number first. Third part, 2a minus 7 and 2a minus 7. Look, the base will be same, that means you will write the 2a minus 7 square, or whole square, sorry. Okay, 2a minus 7 whole square. Here a is equals to 2a and b is equals to, a is equals to 2a, b is equals to 7. Now, second identity, you know that a minus b whole square. It will gives you a square minus 2ab plus b square, right? Okay. So now I'm comparing. We have already compared. Now I'm using identity 2a minus 7 whole square. So in place of a, that is 2a square minus 2 into a means 2a into b means 7 plus 7 square. So 2 square is 4, a square is a square. Now here 2 2 are 4, 7 4 are 28. 28a plus 49 7 square. Now this is the answer for third part. Now this is fourth part coming to you, that is 3a minus 1 by 2 and 3a minus 1 by 2, right? So it will be written as 3a minus 1 by 2 whole square. Okay. Now if you will compare here, it is in place of a, that is 3a here, and b is equals to 1 by 2. You will write here also this identity same in the bracket because copy this one. Okay, so now 3a minus 1 by 2 whole square, it is written as 3a square minus 2 into a means 3a, b means 1 upon 2 plus 1 by 2 square. So you will be written as, you will be getting as 3a square means 3 square 9, a square. Look, 2 gets cancel out. So it will be only 3a, right? Plus 1 upon 4. If you will open this, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4. So this is your answer of fourth question of the exercise 9.5, right? Now fifth part, sorry. I hope that the concept is going clear. You will write this identity for your you can say for the convenience of the examiners in the examination. A square minus 2ab. If you will write, that means examiner will assure that the students are using proper identity, right? Now fifth part, 1.1 m minus 0.4 and in bracket 1.1 m plus 0.4. Okay, 1.1. This is the question because decimal part students will worried about this thing, how to do. Actually this is nothing. Now look here, this is your a minus b in first bracket, and second bracket a plus b, means here a is 1.1 m and b is simply 0.4, right? A is 1.1 m and b is 4. So now the product of two brackets, a minus b, a plus b. If you have seen the identities here, a plus b and a minus b, that is given as, look at there, a plus b, a minus b. This is the identity. Now this is equals to a square minus b square. Now we are using this identity. As we know, you can say, as we know, you can write here, a minus b, a plus b is equals to a square minus b square. So I'm using this identity, these things directly here. 1.1 m minus 0.4 and 1.1 m plus 0.4 is it written as 1.1 m square, a square minus b square, right? So 1.1 means 11, simply you will firstly take so 1.1 m square will be written as 1.21 m square, because you know that 1.1 into 1.1 means simply you will get 1.21, right? And 0.4, that is 0.16. 0.4 and 0.4 you will get 4 4s are 16, decimal point 2 digits before, right? So now this is the answer for the, this answer means fifth one I'm talking about, right? So you have to use the suitable empties. If you will not use suitable empties, the problem will occur, sir. Right? Okay. So move on to the sixth part. What is this? A look, a square plus b square. Now the level of the question will be going high. Please keep this in mind. A square plus b square. Now this is the question you need to focus firstly, because student will get confused which identity will used here. So here little bit modification is important, or rewrite the question again in different form, but the meaning is same. You will write these things. If you will see that, can we write a square plus b square in the form of b square plus a square? Both are same thing. And second bracket, can we write this thing b square minus a square? Means I am writing b square previously or nothing else, and a square later. मतलब b स्क्वायर को मैं पहले राइट कर रहा हूं, a स्क्वायर को बाद में राइट करूं, बाकी कुछ भी अंतर नहीं, और मीनिंग दोनों की सेम, बोथ आर सेम थिंग. प्लीज don't worry about this thing. Why now, why I'm writing this thing? I want to compare the, I want to use this identity. If you see here, this is a and a plus b, and this is a minus b. Means here a in place of a, that is b square, in place of b, that is a square simply, right? अब यहाँ पे यही समझना है आपको here, यानी कि यहाँ पर a की वैल्यू क्या है, b स्क्वायर है, और b की वैल्यू क्या है आपकी a स्क्वायर है. अब आपको यही कॉन्सेप्ट आपको यूज करना दिस आइडेंटिटी. सो लेट मी राइट अगेन a minus b whole square and a plus b whole square. It will gives you, that is a square minus b square. Okay, so now I'm writing this thing again, this term. Okay, to use the identity, to use the identity using this by, as we know that you will write as we know. Okay, with the help of this identity we will solve this question. So look at the next screen. B square plus a square and b square minus a square, right? So you will write a square means b square whole square minus a square whole square. Why I'm writing this thing? Because you see whatever written here, its square will be here. That means whatever written here, its square will be here, right? So now it will gives you, as you know that a raised power m power n in the power n exponent rule, the powers will be multiplied. Okay, so b power will be multiplied, a power will be multiplied. It will simply gives you b raised to power 4 minus a raised to power 4. Okay, or maybe in the answer sheet written as a raised to power minus a raised to power 4 plus b raised to power 4. So you will see which one is written in the answers. In the answer sheet you will follow any one of them, but definitely one of them will be the answer. Okay, so now seventh part. 6x minus 7 and 6x plus 7. Now here again a minus b, a plus b. So you will simply, now you will use this identity. Here you can write here a is 6x and b is 7. So a, as we know a minus b, a plus b is written as a square plus b square. Sorry, not plus, that is minus sign. Okay, so put down this here. So 6x minus 7, 6x plus 7, only put down in place of a, that is 6x whole square minus 7 square. 6x means 6 square is also there, 36, and x is square is x square minus 7 square 49. Or if you will write one steps more, you can write that is 6x into 6x minus 7 into 7. But you, because you have solved in the previous chapter, previous exercise, sorry, 9.4, 9.3, so many times these things you have done. That's why I'm doing direct. Otherwise, you will do this step also, but it is not compulsory. Okay. So now this is the answer for 7th part. Okay. Now 8th part, minus a plus c minus a plus c. Now look at here. Look at this question. It will get you confused if you will not write properly. Can we write down this thing in this way? C minus a, C minus a. Yes, of course we will write. So we will write this thing C minus a whole square, because both the terms will be same. There is no difference, right? And just means earlier question I am writing this one earlier, this one later. मतलब C हम पहले write कर रहे हैं, minus a बाद write कर रहे हैं for our convenience. So means simply we will write this thing square of this one, a minus b whole square. So here in place of a, that is c, in place of b, that is a. So c minus a whole square, that is a, you will use the identity a minus b whole square, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so c square minus 2 into a in place, a means c, and here a, b means a, plus a square. So you will write c square minus 2ca plus a square. Okay, right? Okay, so this is the answer for 8th part, or maybe answer will be written in this form: a square minus 2ca plus c square. It doesn't matter. This one or this one, both are same thing. Let us move on to the 9th part. That is x upon 2 plus 3y upon 4. Okay, and x upon 2 plus 3y upon 4 means both the term will be same, so you will simply write x upon 2 plus 3y upon 4 whole square. Now you will know that a plus b whole square, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab, or maybe I have written 2ab earlier, means this way. So use this identity, that means in place of a, that is x upon 2, in place of b, that is 3y upon 4, right? So use this identity. Now I am solving this one. X upon 2 whole square plus 2 into x upon a means x upon 2, b means 3y upon 4 plus c b square 3y upon 4 whole square, right? X upon 2 and x square upon 4 plus, look, 2 gets cancelled out. So here simply 3 upon 4 is remaining and xy is remaining, right? And here 3 square means 9, y square means y square, 4 square means 16. Now this is the answer for 9th part. Okay, these are the answers. For now, the last part of this question, that is 7a minus 9b and 7a plus, sorry, 9b again. That means same. So simply you will write 7a minus 9b whole square. So here, if you compare, you will get a is equals to 7a, b is equals to 9b, right? Now you will use this identity a minus b whole square you will use. So what is that? A minus b whole square, a square, sorry, I will write a minus b, that is a minus b whole square gives you a square minus 2ab plus b square, right? So 7a square minus 2 into 7a. A means 7a or b means 9b, right? Plus 9b square. Don't write 9b in this way because this is confusing. Okay, and don't write 7a square this way. This is confused. This is wrong. 7a means 49a square. 7 square 49, and a square is a square. Now 7's 2 are 14 and 14 nines are 126 of AB, right? 14 nines are 126 AB, and means 49s are 126. A and B will multiply. 9 nines are 81 and B square. Now this is the answer for the last part of question number first. So here in this question we have used identities a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, and a square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. Okay, so these are the identities basically used here. Okay, so in this way question number first is completed. Okay, first all the parts I have completed. So from so today class I'm going to over here. Okay, we will discuss the later question in the next videos. Okay, so from here, bye bye, see you tomorrow. Okay, so see you in the next class. Okay, so bye.